Hi guys, my name is Chandni.
I'm Shani, and we recently saw this Netflix show called Fate: The Wing Saga, and we're still wondering why, but we decided to make a review about it.
Yeah, because we suffered and you guys have to suffer with us.
Yeah, so it is based. It took inspiration very lightly. Took inspiration from a Nickelodeon's animated series called The Wings Club. The story follows this young girl called Bloom, who discovers she has fire powers when she tries to burn down her house and kill her parents in the process. And so she goes to this other world and tries to learn how to control her powers, where she meets other fairies with different powers and also hot guys who are just there, who are just eye candies.
Yeah, we're literally just there.
Yeah.
No, it's just basically angsty teenagers with powers in a high school. That's it.
Yeah. So let's start with
The similarities or comparisons between the original Wings Club.
animated series and what is supposed to be a live action of that series.
Yeah, they do say that it's like based or like
Yeah, the
inspired
description
by it.
says that. Yeah. So let's start with the fact that they just did away with one of the fairies.
Yeah, but they didn't exactly do away with one fairy. As in, they changed, like, they did some kind of crap in between.
Okay, for context, for people who haven't seen the original series, we have 6 fairies. Stella, who is the princess, who has the light magic. Bloom, our main character, who has fire magic. Aisha, who controls ocean, water, waves. We have Musa, the fairy of music. We have Tekna, the fairy of technology, and we have Flora, the fairy of nature.
Yes.
So in
But
in Fate: The Wing Saga,
we have only 5 fairies.
yeah,
Okay, so Stella, Bloom, and
Aisha, they got right. These
Yeah,
three
these
fairies,
three are
no
fine.
complaints, they got right.
Flora, they turned into Terra,
Terra.
which honestly is a better name. I don't know, I like Terra better. So I'm not complaining over there. But
But coming to the final fairy,
Musa and Tekna are gone. There is a fairy named Musa, but she doesn't have the power of music. But what can she do? Not as her name suggests, she can feel.
she can feel the emotions of others. She's an empath, you know,
Yeah.
which is basically useless.
As you-
It is useless everywhere.
As humans, we are all empath. They made her wear headphones and decided to call her Musa.
Not even she has no connection to music. Oh my god.
She could be Fields or something.
Oh my god. He has no
Bloom
character.
is the most selfish character.
Oh my god.
In
All she
this
talks about is herself.
I find it super annoying. Even when she's talking about other people and other people are telling them their worries. Oh, but
Yeah. But wait.
But wait.
My worries are bigger than your worries. How can you not focus on my worries?
Yeah. What are your
know?
brains? They're
Excuse
nothing.
me, main character gone away. Yeah. And Stella is just, basically emotionally abusive to everyone around
Yeah.
her. But it's apparently because of her
Mother.
childhood trauma, whatever. Like that excuse.
Entree, mother, queen,
Who
mother.
doesn't look like a queen.
The headmistress.
The headmistress looks more like a queen than her. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go to Terra. Terra is
Terra.
actually nice.
She's super sweet.
Yeah, everyone bullies her, but she's like very mature and she stands up for herself also.
She's very powerful also.
Yeah.
And she's kind to everybody. She
has
makes
the
brownies.
most knowledge about what is happening, what is going
Yeah.
on.
And Aisha, I think Aisha is a badass friend. I mean,
She's a
I
very
would
good
want
friend, yeah.
Aisha because she tells Bloom when she's wrong. And she's a morning person, which I honestly fail to
She wakes up at
understand.
5 a.m. and goes for a swim.
Twice a day.
Oh my god. It's too
What
much.
am I doing, Shalu? What am I doing in my life?
You're waking up at 11:30. And finally coming to Musa. I think we talked about her enough.
Yeah.
We shaded her enough. There's
Yeah.
literally nothing else we can say about her. But her is the only good relationship in the entire. She has this relationship with this cute boy called Sam, who is the brother
of Terra.
Yeah, and their relationship is kind of cute.
It's the only one that's normal, I would
It's
say.
like, yeah, working relationship, but it's still kind of secret because she can't take the
I don't know what
reactions
what
of others finding out.
arc
whatever.
that was. Why were they trying to hide and all? Nothing. No one knows.
Just, you know, it's
for plot point because कुछ और काम नहीं कर रहे तो कुछ भी डाल दो बीच में. But Sky was hot.
very hot. Oh
Yeah,
my
he was
God.
good looking. His hair was nice.
He's hot overall, and
Dumb overall.
Yeah,
Useless
and
overall, but
yeah,
he's hot, so it's fine.
He can't even stand up for himself in front of this Stella, who's just basically manipulating him into this
Left
relationship.
and right, she manipulates.
She's like you're codependent, but she's the only one who's dependent on him. So coming to our faculty, there are
Yeah.
only 3.
Yeah, if you have a school of like super powered teenagers, you would want to have like more than like 3 adults, but no.
No.
We
there
have
are
only 3 professors.
The first one is Headmistress Dowling,
Yeah, Dowling. Yeah,
who is the only good actor in this entire series.
I mean she's average only, but in a pool of bad actors,
she shines.
Yeah, she's the only one who can
and
act.
she's pretty powerful. I mean, I actually don't know
What
her
her power
is.
is. I don't know what she
she's
does.
telepathic, she's telekinetic, and she's
कुछ
everything.
करती है.
She's all powerful.
Then we have Headmaster Silva,
Silva.
who until later in the story we didn't realize was the headmaster.
Yeah, when they were like, "He Headmaster Silva,"
We were like, कौन? एक ही तो headmistress है वो तो. That Fuddu is headmaster also.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't teach anybody.
Yeah.
He doesn't do anything actually. He just like instructs Sky
his
left
only
and right.
rule is acting as like the father figure of Sky.
Yeah.
And finally, we have this.
Terra's father,
Yeah,
also known as Madam Sprout.
basically because he's in charge of the
Like,
gardens and
yeah.
makes the potions and
He is the
takes
professor of
care
herbology basically.
So, would you recommend the series to everyone?
No, not really. I mean, you would have realized by our review that we did not like the series at all. The actors did not act properly, the director did not direct properly, the VFX artist did not VFX properly. The only upside to the show was the location, which was beautiful. We enjoyed this show because we had a good laugh out of how bad it was, and she has really good commentary, so I enjoyed thoroughly. Apart from that, if you want to watch something mindless and plotless and बस कुछ खाते हुए कुछ चाहिए देखने को, then you might want to watch this one. That brings us to the end of the video. What do you want us to review next? Tell us in the comments below.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
We recently saw this Netflix show called The Wings Club. No, The Wings Saga.
They tried too hard. For whatever they tried, they didn't
Yeah.
want to name it Wings Club, guys.
So they like, the fate, Wings Club,
Approved.
And we recently watched this Netflix show called The Fate.
Wings. जादू का घर है Wings Club. हम आते हैं शैतान और बदमाशों के साथ. हम लगते हैं शैतान और बदमाशों के साथ. हमारा है ये जादू Wings Club.
Wow, you remember the whole song.
और क्या? It is iconic.
I remember really starting.
Super powered women.
Yeah. Oh my
Good
God.
looking,
उसका
fashionable
क्या?
women.
हाँ.
और क्या चाहिए? वही तो चाहिए.
Teen drama, you know,
teen
so
sass,
just, you
teen
know,
beauty.
love triangles and
Triage. Not triage. What is that called? True play.
throuples. Why do you not know that, Saka? You're not up to date.
I'm not hip. I'm not hip like these. आजकल के लोग.
Gen
बच्चे,
Zs.
Gen Zs. नहीं होने वाला. Zorro type से होता है.
But I remember